Let's begin with some big breaking news that we are getting for you at this point in time, and this is from Jammu and Kashmir. Army has released a statement on Kishtwar operation. One Jawan has been killed in the action. The statement also mentions, and I quote, "During the ongoing operation, fierce gunfight is continuing. One of our brave hearts sustained grievous injuries in the exchange of fire and has succumbed to injuries despite best medical efforts. Operation is in progress," unquote. So that's the first statement that we have got from the Indian Army on this operation that has been going on in Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir. Unfortunately, one Jawan has succumbed to injuries. Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejshri, this first statement by the Indian Army is confirming the operation is still in progress, but also, we have got to know that one of the Jawans has lost his life, has succumbed to the injuries.
Well, absolutely. What we are getting to know is that the army has issued a statement and an army soldier has just lost his life in this entire operation, in this entire encounter operation. Remember that it started around 6:30 a.m. in the morning when there was an intel of terrorists present over there in that particular area of Kishtwar, and we are also reporting from Kishtwar, just a few kilometers away, where where this operation is underway. The name of this operation is Operation Trashi, and what we are getting to know is that since approximately around 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning, the encounter began. There was exchange of gunfire between the terrorist and the security forces as well. Remember that special operations group of Jammu Police. Apart from that, the army and other special security forces are also carrying out this particular operation. That's a joint operation to neutralize the terrorists who are trapped currently in that particular area. Also, remember that how 10 days back, we neutralized 6 terrorists that belong to Jaish, and such kind of massive terror operations are going on in several parts of Jammu and Kashmir, because remember that Prime Minister had already sent a strong message back then and today also that now not even a terror element will be spared. So since then we have seen that how multiple search operations are being carried out when there is a tip-off, when there is an intel of any kind of suspicious movement in any area in the valley or in the hills as well. So search operations are being carried out. Security forces are all on high alert 24/7. Any kind of movement is suspected, they rush to the area, and that's what happened today morning as well in Kishtwar, from where we are reporting right now. Official confirmation from army has come about one army soldier being martyred, and I just read, they mentioned that during the ongoing operation, fierce gunfight is continuing. So the encounter is still underway.
What is important to note is that the encounter is
update next.
Still underway, and we will wait for the official word from the Indian Army on that. For now, thank you very much, Tejshri, for joining us with your inputs.